Wonderful. All right. All right, does that sound good, Dreaming Color? Oh. The hiccups, I hate that. Are your hiccups painful? Ugh. I don't have bots. What does that mean? Yes, I very, very much understand, Dreaming Color. Very, very much understand. Yes, don't cry. You know what? She can cry. Crying is not bad. Crying is not bad. I'm not going to tell you not to cry. I'm going to just say I'm sending you loves and hugs while you cry. There's nothing wrong with crying. Don't be ashamed for crying, okay? But I'm going to look at your direct messages on Discord. Oh, excuse me. On Discord. What? You like my website? Oh, well. I'm not gonna try to talk myself up there, but I've also had a lot of complicated, condescending, and confusing thoughts that I've had to work through. Wonderful! Thank you for visiting my website. We've had some serious, plagiarism and copyright violation issues lately, so you will probably have to subscribe to really experience the whole website, but it's free to subscribe. Oh, I hate the hiccups. Ugh. My stories. Okay, so basically, right now, I am posting tomorrow on my Instagram page. I'm posting the 6 Cents Part 2 on my Instagram page. That's all my Instagram gets to read is Part 1 and Part 2. My subscribers get to read the rest of the story. So they get to read Part 3, Part 4, Part 5. So my Instagrammers get half access. My subscribers get full access to my stories. I'm sorry I have the hiccups. Ugh. Hiccups. I hate them. But anyway, that should answer your question. All right? So go ahead and give me a sign-up request, and I'll approve you. I hate hiccups. Okay, so are you Joe? Are you Joe Mako? Are you Joe Mako? You are? You're Joe? Are you already following me? Joe? Alright. Joe, you can do that directly from my website on PayPal or through Stripe. Dreaming Color, it sounds like we could definitely do some good work together, girl. I've got to pee beyond all reason and comprehension. So I'm gonna pee. I'm gonna chill out, hang out with Tech God tonight. Tomorrow I'm gonna look over your messages and kind of get a game plan going. I'll get back to you, okay? Go pee. You also have to pee. Wonderful. Wonderful. Okay, so. I hate the hiccups, you guys. Oh, they're awful. Okay. So anyway, I'm going to try to talk while I hold my breath so I don't hiccup. Anyway, I will be back tomorrow. Ah, damn it. It didn't work. I will be back tomorrow. So once we can talk more after take your time. Look forward to working with you. You're great. What? Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Okay, Dream in Color. I will be back with you tomorrow morning. You'll be first. First thing on my list. 10 hiccups. I know, but I also have to pee. So I have pressure from here, pressure from here. I have so much going on. Good luck with the hiccups. I gave you hiccups. Oh my God. Okay. So I'm going to go get my hiccups. I'm going to go pee. Twogen. I'll be back here tomorrow, 6 p.m. Dream in Color. You will be hearing from me. Before Joe, thank you so much for purchasing a subscription. Oh my God, my hiccups are crazy. Mwah. I love you. I appreciate you. You are now gold. You are now gold. My hiccups. And hold it. Take 3 sips of water. Hold it till you can. Breath. Oh, or peanut butter. I can't. I don't have water. I don't have water. My water's empty and my wine is empty. Ugh. Okay. Well, Twogen, thank you so much for your subscription and for all of your generous subscriptions here on Twitch tonight from my girls, or just swallow. That's what he said. Mwah. All right. So tomorrow I will see you all tomorrow, 6 p.m. I'm gonna go pee and hopefully get rid of my hiccups. I will see you all tomorrow, 6 p.m. Thank you so much for a wonderful, awesome, amazing stream. I love you all so much. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I will see you tomorrow. For the sub gift, yes. Okay, wonderful. All right, wonderful. Thank you all so much. Mwah. I love you all. I will see you tomorrow.